Hey, you there? Yes, you. Let me guess. You want to speak English, but you feel like your English is not good enough? Maybe you're afraid of making mistakes, or you think people will laugh at you? Sound familiar? Well, guess what? You are not alone. I have a little secret for you. Every single person who speaks English fluently today was once a beginner, just like you. Yes, even native speakers. Babies don't come out of the womb speaking perfect English, do they? No. They learn, they make mistakes, and they keep going. But here's the real problem. It's not your English that's bad. It's your confidence that's low. Think about it. How many times have you understood English, but were too afraid to speak? You know what you want to say, but your brain goes, nope, not today. You're not alone. I've been there too. Many people have. But do you know what changed? They stopped saying, my English is not good, and started saying, my English is improving every day. Yes, mindset matters. Let's try something fun. Repeat after me. My English is getting better. Say it again. My English is improving every day. See? Feels better, right? Look, if babies can learn a language by just listening and repeating nonsense like goo, goo, ga, then why can't you learn English? You're already smarter than a baby, right? The truth is, you don't need perfect grammar to speak. You don't need to sound like a native speaker. You don't need big fancy words. You just need the courage to try. Let me tell you a story. There was a man named Carlos. He moved to an English-speaking country, but he was too shy to speak. Every time he tried, he would freeze. He thought his English was terrible. One day, he met an old man in a park. The man said, Carlos, do you know how I learned English? Carlos shook his head. The man smiled and said, by talking. I made mistakes. People laughed, but I didn't stop. Now, I speak every day without fear. Carlos realized something important. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. So, from now on, promise me one thing. Stop saying my English is not good. Say, I am learning, I am improving, and I will speak with confidence. Because guess what? You are already better than you think. Now, here are 3 things you can do today to improve your English. Speak for 5 minutes every day. Even if you're alone, talk to yourself. Describe what you see, what you feel, or what you did today. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes mean progress. No one learns perfectly the first time. Surround yourself with English. Listen to English music, watch movies, and try to think in English. Now, go out there and speak, even if it's not perfect. Even if you make mistakes, speak anyway, because the more you speak, the better you get. And that's a fact. So, next time someone asks, do you speak English? What will you say? Yes. Yes, you do. Now go, practice, and keep getting better. I believe in you.